Hello, guys. Um, Here is what we're going to be doing this week in geography. So, going down and looking at the calendar, our starter, we're actually only going to have starters Monday and Tuesday this week. Wednesday and Thursday will be in the library, so we won't have to worry about a starter, and we'll turn it in, and then we'll get a starter before Thanksgiving break. So, today we're watching a natural disasters video. Unfortunately, I can't find it um, online. Like, it's owned by National Geographic, and so there's no online viewing option for that. So if you're absent, you don't need to make up the video. Tomorrow we're going to do a natural disasters Nearpod. It'll be really cool because you can see some of the close hand effects of natural disasters. Then on then I'm going to go over instructions for the natural disasters project, and then we're going to be working with partners on that. So Wednesday and Thursday will be in the library, and Monday we're going to be taking notes on other people's presentations, but we're going to do that through a discussion board on campus. So when you go to the Natural Disasters Project, here's what it looked like. You want to click on this to get a copy of all the instructions for the project. Here's a copy of the Google slide template. These are very helpful websites for you. We're going to be doing like a spinning choice wheel thing on the natural disaster. You and your partner are assigned. If you're absent, email me, or if you are a partner with somebody that's in class, you can see what they spun for their natural disaster. You'll also need to change the share settings on your Google Slides so anybody with a link can view it. And we're going to post it on a discussion. So, and that will all be in modules. So again, it's going to be this stuff. That's the end of here. And oh, the discussion will be added in here too. I thought I added it, but I made it, so it just needs to be added in there. So these are the things that we're going to be doing this week. All right. See you later.